you so you can fix it, and we're gonna find out what the problem is here. So if you turn your PlayStation on and the screen is black, then
it's been acting up a lot, and right now, as you can see, nothing's going on. See? Right there, you can see the little icons just frozen. Fine. Nothing's moving. There's no music playing in the background. Alright, so looks like it's working fine. Nothing's freezing. So looks like my worries are over. Do you guys have any questions? You can ask me how I did it. Just leave comments, and I'll tell you how I did it if you didn't understand what I just did. So.